Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're talking about what's wrong or what's going on. 到底发生什么事了，或者是比较简单就是怎么了。
用的黑毛，
用的黑毛 Remember how to say that, okay? 用的黑毛 is what's going on? Is there something wrong? Okay? We've been talking about maybe you're painful somewhere, you have a stomach ache, maybe you got accepted to a college or a company. 但也有可能就是很着急的。Like I'm panicking, you know? There's something going on, obviously, with this person. Looks like this person is trying to find something. 有的时候我们掉东西，到底放在哪里啊？
赶快找！
对对对。So let's teach you terms associated with scenarios like that. Like you're trying to find something. Maybe you lost your purse or your cell phone. Okay, 要找就是 to find something. Find.
亲。
Okay, that's how you say find.
那海陆腔，亲
不用亲我啊！
我没有要亲你啊，
找不到东西，虽然可以得到一个吻也不错。
我才不
那为什么要亲呢？被亲了去哦。
海陆腔叫亲，
是哦。
四线腔叫亲。
Oh, I see. A different dialect. It actually sounds like Alice was about to kiss me. Actually, make me feel better. Yes.
已经够伤心，我才不要亲呢。
但是呢，这还是要找到东西。Okay.
对。
Okay, that's how you say find in a different dialect. 亲 Maybe what you lost is a purse. 或许你丢掉的是钱包嘛。
钱包
不是面包，掉面包就算了哈，掉钱包比较着急。
对啊，
钱包 that's your purse, all right? Now, a lot of times when we really can't find something, maybe we lost it, in a taxi or maybe on the road, you would go to a police station. 有时候呢，还是要去警察局去报案，对不对？ How do you say police station?
警察局。
That's police station. So let's make a phrase out of one of these vocabulary here. 就是怎么说？我的钱包掉了。I lost my purse. How do you say that?
我嘅錢包。但唔見呢？就是不見了。
怎么不見了？見呢其實是見到，那見呢就不見了。Okay, that's how you say I lost my purse. I can't find my purse. I don't know where it went. All right? Now let's review all these terms so you can remember them. 找 to find. 親And then your purse, 钱包 and then the police station, 警察局 警察局 and it's all about what's wrong, what's going on, 怎么了
用的黑毛
希望大家可以找到你的钱包或者你的手机 Okay? That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家
安子 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.